Here's a quick shot of the other side of the carbon filter to show you the activated carbon that's infused in it. Alright, and there it is with the 12. Finally, the activated carbon filter. Let's just kind of drop that over the wires.